This is Nikki Terry Style, and today I'm taking you along for a quick thrift with me on the road. So I was recently traveling through a small town and had a chance to stop in their Goodwill. So I'm going to take you along for the thrift with me. Then we've got a small haul to do, and we're going to style up some outfits at the end of the video. So let's get into it.
So we're driving back from my boyfriend's parents' house. You can see my little dog in the car. And we stopped for lunch really quick, and there was a Goodwill right next door. So I'm going to pop in and see what they've got. And I'm excited. I'm just going to spend about 15 minutes in the store. So I'm going to be really focused on just a couple of things and like seeing overall what they have. It's always so fun to go thrift shopping in a town when you're traveling, I think, because you see totally different kind of donations and totally different breed of items. It's like a huge store. I don't have time to hit everything, so I'm gonna go to the blouses. Since I'm seeing a lot of vintage, I really want to look at their t-shirts. Maybe I'll stop to the skirts really quick. See if anything grabs my eye. I'm looking for like this pleating. Pockets. I don't know if I would wear white. I wanted to just look at black t-shirts, but they have everything mixed together. So it's more of a hunt. I don't have time. I'm looking for a like white blouse, kind of like this. Kind of like this blue, 100% linen. Look at this blazer. Oh my gosh. pretty nice. Pockets. Lots of denim. Look at you. Oh my God. All the bags are $3. I've been like buying something kind of like this on Etsy. Yay! So in my short 15 minutes, I have to say I was pretty impressed with that store. I saw quite a bit of vintage items. It also looked like there were a lot of handmade dresses, which is interesting. There are many Mennonite communities in this area, and so I think that many of the styles were handmade Mennonite style dresses, and that was really cool to see. Definitely a lot of vintage, like 80s and 90s era vintage blouses and things like that. They didn't have hardly any home goods. I was hoping to look a little bit at artwork or glassware, things like that. But they had a lot of clothing. All of their tops were mixed together. Tank tops, long sleeves, short sleeve blouses. It was just a men's section and a women's section of tops. I was trying to look specifically for something like a black vintage t-shirt. So I started in the men's section and I didn't see maybe 3 t-shirts. I didn't walk out with a lot, but I will show you what I did get. And I got 2 things and I only spent $7. So their prices were really good compared to the Goodwill where I live.
Okay, so that Goodwill had extremely good pricing and a decent selection, and I didn't have long to look in there, but I did find a couple things I wanted to try. Obviously, I wasn't able to try anything on in the store, but for a couple bucks, I picked up this skirt made by Breton Place. It's like a rayon poly blend, but it does have 1% of silk, and you can actually kind of feel that in the fabric. It feels nice, and it's just like a sort of tweed-ish, like black and white fabric. So it looked like a good staple skirt. It is in my size, according to the tag, it's a size 18. Vintage sizing does tend to run petite, so I'm not surprised to try it on and see that it does not fit me well. It's definitely too slim in the hips and is like accentuating this belly here. I'm not much one for like shapewear, but like maybe with shapewear it'd be okay, but I wanted to show you anyway. The length is really nice. Again, it has a nice material and pockets, which are like very key in my world. And the waist does fit like okay, but yeah, just not quite the right cut for me because I'm getting like just too tight around the hips. So the skirt is definitely a little bit of a fail, and I unfortunately will not be keeping it. The other item I picked up for only $3 is this really cool, I think it's a vintage 1940s crocodile purse. And I definitely tried to do research online to see if I could find any information, and everything I can see points just to the fact that this is most likely a 1940s or maybe 1950s bag. It has no type of label. I had this like fantasy maybe it was like an Hermes for a moment, because you know how their branding is so subtle, but it's definitely not. It's just not the quality, but I think it's adorable. I love the style. It does have the little feet, which makes me feel like it's a better quality. I have been looking at bags like this on Etsy, and there's quite a few really cool ones, but they could be in the triple digits for how much they are on there. So getting this cute bag for only $3 I think was a good buy. I'll show you the inside. It's in pretty good condition and just a black interior. I did put, one of my tricks is just to put a fresh dryer sheet into a bag, and that will like remove some of the mustiness and absorb any of the like odor that can sometimes be left behind in vintage pieces. So it's definitely nice and fresh and ready for me to use. So since there didn't end up being much of a haul out of this trip, and even the skirt that I got was kind of a fail, I thought it'd be fun to instead style up some looks with some clothes that I have thrifted in the past, and even some that might just coordinate nicely with that handbag that I did get today. So I'm gonna style up some outfits, and I'll put up on the screen some information about some of my thrifted pieces so we can feel like we got somewhat of a thrift haul out of this video today. So let's get dressed. Thank you so much for joining me today on this mini thrift with me and fake thrift haul. I hope you got some style inspiration in any case out of the styled up looks that we tried on today, and I will see you next time for another thrift video. Okay, so I couldn't try this skirt on in the store, but it is, I think, a size, shoot, what size is it? So I'll do that. The handbag width that I did get, so we feel like we still got a little bit of a thrift haul today. That was nice. To style up, I thought it might be, and even as I wear that, as I try on the outfits, the pieces I have thrifted in the past, yeah. Come on. Remember. So since they didn't enunciation, do a thrift haul and fake